EnigmaCoinCollector here, and welcome to what has quickly turned into another episode of Did the United Statesman Get My Order Right? That's right, if you've been watching the channel, you know that I've been posting videos this week about the release of the 2021 Morgans, and needless to say, the results have been disappointing. If you haven't checked out those videos, check them out. I'll link them at some point in this video. Got notified today that another package was dropped off, and this should be the Philadelphia minted Morgan dollar with no mint mark, no privies. Now, I was actually a little bit surprised looking at the details of the order because apparently the peace dollar is shipping separately and it should be here next week. So as to why they didn't ship them together, I don't know, but there will be a fourth part or part D to this video series on these coins. So here's the package. Doesn't sound promising. That's all I'm going to say. Some people did reach out to me asking if it was possible for me to show the package in a little bit greater detail. I have not tampered with this at all. Some people did say maybe it could have been that I was tampering with the other package, which is why it was damaged, putting in damaged coins. That is not the case here, ladies and gentlemen. Even this, you can see I'm pressing down as hard as I can. I didn't cut a hole in that tape underneath it, and that's what I'm using to hide it. That tape is there to hide my address and personal information, tracking information, so that it's not on the internet. But you can see this box, there's no way that this box has been opened prior to me receiving it. So if any United States Mint employees are watching, this is how I got the product I ordered from you. We're going to go ahead and cut this open and see what we got. All right, guess I have to cut this as well. Don't want to reveal an invoice. There we go. No styrofoam, just the paper. And I already feel something loose. Oh. The Philly Mint strikes again. Here's the 2021 Philadelphia minted Morgan dollar. Similar to all the other packagings that I've received. Here's the box. And I'm for sure the coin is out of the indentation in the holder. The question is the capsule also opened? And it doesn't look like it is. We will check it here. It looks pretty raised to me. So here is the COA. Again, pretty much the only thing that's changed is the mint. Let you read it if you want. Capsule is completely opened. I'm going to put it back on. Okay, let me show you what I see. Here's the coin. There are two things that I want to check. I'm actually probably going to pop the top off the capsule because I want to check to make sure that those two spots there are dirt on the inside of the lid. But from this view, it does not look as if there's any marks on this. So even though the packaging failed again, both the coin coming out of the indentation and the lid coming off the top of the plastic capsule, we might have escaped scot-free. I love that design. Someone pointed out in the previous video that these are matte finish. They are not gloss finish on the background. Didn't realize that, but they are absolutely right, and that's kind of why these look a little bit different from standard Morgans. I want to very carefully take that lid off again. It's not even I can see if this is being moved around in the United States Parcel Service, system why these are coming off, because I don't think it's their fault. I think it's the Mint's fault for their packaging. Okay, yeah, that is dust. The coin is not marked, ladies and gentlemen. So again, we lucked out. But it's just disappointing that every time you order something from the Mint, especially if it appears the Philadelphia Mint, you're basically rolling the dice as to whether or not, A, you're going to get the right product, and B, if you're going to get the product intact. So we have an unmarked coin. It is great. It is beautiful now that I was able to put it back together. And I guess we'll be doing one more part on this in terms of unboxing the Peace Dollar, which should be coming next week. I have not heard anything back from the Mint from my previous order. I have been talking to a lot of you on social media and giving me information, sharing your experiences. Let me know below if you've had a positive or negative experience in purchasing these Morgan dollars, what state they've been coming to you in, because I think this is an issue that we need to highlight. I was upset in my last video, and I think I had every right to be that way. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like the update on the Morgan dollar process I've been going through. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please click subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when I release new content. Leave a comment below if you've got something to say. Appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, it's always a mystery as to whether or not the United States Mint is going to screw up your order or not. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. Catch you on the next one.